Okay guys, I'm going to try to make the fastest video ever because it's getting pretty late, and if I don't get out of here, you guys aren't even going to be able to see this tonight. So, a translation, okay, just means to move points around basically. Translation means to move it according to the directions they give you. So if we translate this thing 2 units left, it's telling me to just move every single point 2 to the left, 2 to the left, 2 to the left, 2 to the left, and then plot it, and that's all you have to do, okay? Let's look at the next one, all right? This is a translation, 5 units left and 1 unit down. So move everything 5 to the left and 1 down. 5 to the left and 1 down. And that's the way these problems go. They're pretty straightforward. In case you forget how to do them, that's how you do them, all right? They're not really that tough. Let's see if you can do one on your own, huh? Of course. So, go ahead, see if you can do this on your own. Translate everything 4 units left and 1 unit up. Press pause if you got it. And this is what it should look like, okay? Everything moved up, 1 unit up, 4 units left. Or 4 units left and 1 unit up. It doesn't matter what order you go to, you're going to get to the same place either way. So just move the points that way. And afterwards, graph what we call the image under the translation. So since we moved every point over here, these are all the points after they've been moved. So this is called the image of the translation, okay? So when it says graph the image, that's what we're doing. This is called the image of that one with that transformation. All right, well now those are easy enough, right? Let's study reflections real fast, all right? So, a reflection is basically asking us to look at the mirror, okay? So in this case it's saying the y-axis is our mirror, okay? A reflection across the y-axis, and reflections happen in mirrors. I hope you guys have seen a mirror before, because I'm going to talk about a mirror a lot in this example, okay? So, how far is D from the x-axis, from the y-axis? How far is D from our mirror, right? It's going to see its reflection in here, so its reflection must be 1 away also, right? But this point, this is a 2-way mirror, of course, let's think of it that way, right? This point sees itself 4 across from the mirror, so we're going to count 4 points more, okay? So since this is 4, this is 4. The distance is equal. So go towards the mirror, 1 dot, okay, and then I'm going to go away once. You got it? Since this is 1, this is 1. All right? This point is 5 away, so I'm going to count 5 away from here, okay? And now I'm going to connect those points. And now, geez, we got a lot of lines, okay? So the image that we were actually talking about is this one right here. And if you see, everything should look like it's seeing its reflection in the mirror. Everything's equal distance away from the mirror. If this is 5 away from the mirror, then that's 5 away. If this is 4 away from the mirror, then this is 4 away, okay? So it's always going to be symmetric. It's going to be exact. All right, let's check our symmetry here. In this problem, we're supposed to reflect across x equals 2. So you got to remember that x lines go up and down. So x equals 2 is a line like this, okay? And if I reflect across that mirror, I should get something that looks like this, okay? And let's look at x equals 2 right here. That's our line, right? So this is our mirror. It kind of reflected onto itself. That's a coincidence, but that happens whenever the object happens to overlap with the mirror, okay? The reflection is going to overlap the original object too. But either way, just go ahead and connect the new points with what you got, and that's exactly how you do it. This point's kind of interesting because if it's on the mirror, it doesn't move at all. If it's 0 points away, you just keep it where it is, so there's even less to think about. Just don't move it. It's on the mirror. It doesn't have to go anywhere, okay? So those are the reflections that we got. We can do a couple more of those. So, when you get a y equation right here, you have to know that a y equals -1 line is all the points where y equals -1. That's a line right here on y equals -1. Every single point with that. So if we reflect across that, we should see something that looks like this, right? This is my mirror, like we were talking about. This is our mirror. So if this point's on the mirror, it doesn't move. But this point was 1 away, so its reflection is 1 away. And this point is 3 away, so its reflection is also 3 away. This is how you do reflections, okay, guys? It's not that hard. Just find out what your mirror is and try to remember that if it's an x equals line, it like 2 goes left and right, okay, or horizontal. And if we had something like y equals 2, it goes up and down, right? Or, oh great, did I just ruin my whole lecture? Yeah, I did, yay. Alright, well anyway, guys, the y lines go up and down, okay? I mean, the y lines go left and right, and the x goes up and down. Okay, you guys could figure it out. We've done this a lot. Good luck on the test, guys.